So let's concentrate on the national dish of Canada, which is fast becoming a very desired breakfast item for all the hungover Canadians: poutine. So I'm going to make my own fries using fresh potatoes. So it's very important that we drain all the water from these potatoes before we fry them and dry them. So into the boiling hot oil the fries go, one by one. So once the chips have browned, they're quite done. So we take them off and lay them on some absorbent paper in a colander. So while the chips have not completely cooled down, we add salt and pepper to our tastes, and then we just toss it. And now we keep this aside and move on to the next thing. So the next step is, of course, making bacon. Now what I've done is I've taken long streaky Canadian bacon and cut it into little bits. And on a warm pan, not too warm mind you, we let the bacon bits cook in their own fat. When it's nice and brown or golden, you take it out with some absorbent cloth. We caramelize this bacon in the maple syrup and add the bacon and quickly coat all of it. And make sure you get it off your pan and off the heat onto a plate before it caramelizes and burns and gets bitter. So make sure that you make a little separation in the bits of bacon. So we're making our own gravy. Now this is about a cup of chicken stock that I'm going to bring to the boil. To hot chicken stock, we're adding a cold mixture of 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of flour. This mixture in French is called beurre meunier. And then we whisk it like we did with the gravy on a low flame and thickens to form some good chicken gravy. So when the gravy is thickened, we take it off the heat. And then since I've used chicken stock, I'm not going to add any salt or pepper to it. And now I'm going to transfer it into this little jug so it's easier for me to pour it. So the last thing we make today is little quail sunny side up eggs. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil and drop the egg. So. Now since these eggs are so small in size, they get cooked quite fast. Then we just transfer them onto a plate. So now it's time to convert our simple and humble chips into French poutine. So let's start with the chips. Some chopped cheddar cheese. We have our chicken gravy, maple syrup and bacon. Very, very, very sticky. Quail eggs. And finally, maple syrup, lightly drizzled over. So, voila, here you have it. Poutine, the French national dish originating in Quebec. Just simple chips with some cheese, some gravy, some bacon and some eggs. Have a good breakfast, guys. Goodbye.